ఒక పాట పాడతానండి, మీ అందరికీ చాలా ఇష్టమైన పాట. ఎన్నిసార్లు పాడినా నాకు కూడా ఇంకా పాడాలనిపించే పాట. పాడకపోతే ఎందుకు పిలిచామా శోభరాజమా అనుకునే పాట. అయితే వినేసి వెళ్ళిపోకండి, ఇంకా మంచి పాట ఉంది. కురువలకి నమ్మి అనే కుమ్మరివాడు అలిపెరి అనే ప్రదేశంలో, నేను ఇంగ్లీష్లో చెప్తే పర్వాలేదండి, నా తెలుగులో చెప్పండి. Okay. He made a wooden image of Lord Venkateshwara and was worshipping it with clay-made flowers. At the same time, at Holy Tirumalai temple, King Tondaman used to worship Lord with gold flowers. He was king, he could afford that worship. But one day, the king was surprised to see these clay-made flowers at the feet of Lord Venkateshwara in the place of his gold flowers. He was surprised, rather shocked. He couldn't understand what it is. As he was passing through this Alipiri, he happens to see Uruvara Kinambi, this pot maker, worshipping the wooden image of Lord Venkateshwara with clay-made flowers. Then he understands. It's the love behind the offering that matters, not the offering. He too offered gold flowers, but with full of ego. He didn't accept them. What do we understand through this story? God wants gold heart, not gold. Golden heart. There's a human value hidden in this. Whatever you offer with love, God accepts. Do we accept? In marriages, saris are given. We don't gracefully accept. Right? When something is offered to the best of their capacity, it has to be accepted with love as God did. Worshipping Lord Venkateshwara is not just doing Samasrayanam and having Namam. It is to say, Lord will imbibe your character. But we ignore the character, go by just apparent signs. Right? Like that, there are so many human values hidden in this song. I don't give up everything in this occasion, lest Pasala Raj will not call me again. Each time, one value I talk about. అది కాదండి, టైం లేదు, అందుకని ఎక్కువ పాటలు పాడమంటారు కదా. So, in this Sankirtana, Lord Venkateshwara has shown human values. Follow me and చెప్పాడు. We are ignoring them, let's follow them.